Hello. In this video, we show you how to use the Jabra Evolve 75E ANC, Active Noise Cancellation and the Listen In feature. To start, ensure the headset is turned on. Press and hold the multifunction button for 1 second. A short welcome sound and vibration in the neckband indicate that the headset is on. Then the headset announces the status of remaining talk time if ANC is turned on and connected devices. To turn the active noise cancellation feature on or off, press the audio mode button on the left side of the neckband to cycle through the available options. With ANC on, you will experience a reduction in background noise, such as air conditioning. To turn the Listen In feature on or off, press and hold the audio mode button on the left side of the neckband for 2 seconds. A short double-click sound indicates that Listen In is either turned on or off. With Listen In on, you can listen to your surroundings without taking your headset off. The surrounding sound will then replace the current audio, such as a call or music. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit jabra.com/support.